I'm going to walk you through this first linear function application on your quiz, and then you can do the other two just like this one. I do want you to copy this one on your quiz paper so that you get credit for it, okay? It says Amber is walking a marathon. She has a sponsor who will pay a $10 donation plus $2 for each mile traveled. Write an equation that will represent how much she will earn per mile. Now, after I read this question, I don't like this right here. Okay, they already told us how much she earns per mile. We want to know how much she earns in total. The first thing you need to do is define your variable. So what are we trying to find? We're trying to find how much she will earn. That is going to be y. Y is going to be the amount earned. So define that first variable, and then what does y depend on? Well, y depends on how many miles she travels, right? So our x, our independent variable, is the number of miles. Okay, so we're going to have y equals something x and often plus something. Okay, so let's look at that. First thing we need is our m, right? We need our slope. So we look up here and we see the words for each, or sometimes they'll do per. So that for each, or per, or every, that is your slope. That is m, right? So in this case, m is 2. Okay, so m is 2. Now, what is our intercept? Where do we start? What is b? B is going to be this $10 donation. B is the amount of money that Amber's going to get even if she walks nowhere. The sponsor says, hey, I'll give you $10, but then I'm going to give you $2 for every mile you travel. So she's going to get $2 for every mile she travels, that's 2x, plus the $10 donation. So her total money is going to be y equals 2x plus 10. So that's how you do number 8. Use this as an example. You work 9 and 10.